Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price because right now we are standing at $27,430, and guys, the scenario that we spoke yesterday to break above this $28,000 with a confirmation of the daily time frame didn't happen, so it happened the other scenario to see a consolidation phase with a slightly exhaustion, which is going to lead us probably to this massive $27,000 area, because guys, as you can clearly see, this is very strong support, this $27,000. And on this video guys, I'm going to explain you all the potential price targets with this current data that we have ahead of us. So if you would like to know the next price target of the Bitcoin, all you need to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to tell you that I'm not financial advisor. Before you do any kind of investment guys, always please do your own research. Do not rely to no one, okay? Always rely on you. And also I would like to show you guys my Patreon, because here is where I build my wealth through low-cap gems, which I invest with an initial amount of BTC. I invest with BTC low-cap gems with massive potential, so I'm looking to catch 100x, 200x, 50x, 500x, even 1000x. And guys, here I show you a strategy that I followed in the previous bull run, and I made an insane wealth. And with that strategy, right now I'm holding 150 very great projects with insane potential to do all these X's that I announced you before. And also guys, the most interesting part of that is that I'm holding all these altcoins almost for free because of the strategy. And through the peak of the bull run, I'm gonna hold over 300, maybe 400 altcoins. So when the peak of the bull run is gonna happen, I'm gonna have all these altcoins. I'm gonna see crazy X's into my portfolio, and then after some point I'm taking all these profits into the Bitcoin. So if you're interested guys, and if you're a serious investor and you like to build crazy wealth, I highly suggest you to enter into my VIP soldier community to see every buy signal that I do, because guys, I'm spending hours researching every day, reading all the white papers of any kind of a low-cap project that there is out there, and I'm trying to figure the next big high potential coin. So by joining on this group, you're gonna see coins that you have never heard about with insane potential. It's highly recommended. Also sell signals, stake signals, access to my whole portfolio, Telegram VIP community, which is gonna happen in this week, so don't miss it out. Voice video chats explaining you everything that you will need to know, and analyzing you all my strategies. Highly recommended guys. And let's get back to our analysis, because the current situation is make lots of people to think about the next move, because many guys believe that right now Bitcoin will gonna get back to $25,000. And if you ask my opinion if this is possible, guys, yes, of course it's possible, because as you know, I have told you my parameters. I remain neutral because I'm waiting to see confirmations. $30,000 is the area of the most crucial resistance, and from the other side, the most crucial support is the $25,200. As we remain on all this area, I remain neutral. I have told you that plenty of times. So right now you're gonna clearly see that Bitcoin is getting back from this $30,000 consolidation phase for a couple of days. We got back to this 27,400 within 200 area. And guys, the most important part right now is that you need to pay focus on this $27,000 support. Look at this guys. When we had this consolidation phase at the area of $27,000 within $28,000, I have been telling you for days that we will need to close the Bitcoin price above the $28,000 if we would like to see furthermore pumps straight into the next resistance, which is this $29,350, which is this weekly green line. Okay, it's weekly resistance. And right now you can see from this consolidation phase that guys, we had many times drop from $28,000 back to $27,000, and we bounced many times. So for me, to retest the $25,200 as we are remain above the $27,000 is really difficult. I don't care what other people says, but as we are above the $27,000 area with a confirmation, okay, because if we're gonna come here and we're gonna close a daily candle with a confirmation and break this massive support, then obviously we're gonna get straight to this $25,200. But as we are remain above this massive support, and also yesterday we saw a bounce from that support, there is huge probability, guys, the next week from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I don't know exactly when, to see pump to the upside and break again this blue line. Okay, lots of people start talking about a recession, that there is a huge probability to see a recession and all these things. Guys, I believe personally that if global economy gonna collapse, because the last time that we saw something like banks which went into bankruptcy, we saw insane Bitcoin pump. I believe that if we're gonna see something like recession, I would expect to see furthermore pump to the Bitcoin price. Okay, I highly believe that, because previously I was super bearish because I didn't have data. Okay, right now the current data showed that Bitcoin reacted on these banks which collapsed into the upside. It pumped the price of Bitcoin to the upside. I was expecting to see a drop at that time on the Bitcoin price. And this kind of adoption that we saw, because many people invest on Bitcoin at that time, made me to believe that right now, in every very bad situation of the real world economy, Bitcoin will react to the upside, okay, not to the downside anymore. So I'm waiting for confirmations, as I told you. As we are above this $25,200, I cannot tell you that I'm bearish. No matter if we're gonna come back to $26,000, I'm gonna still remain neutral. But if we break from the other side, that this line $30,500, then I believe we're gonna see in a couple weeks later insane bullish movement to the Bitcoin price straight to $40,000. That's why right now I remain neutral. I'm waiting to see confirmations, but also do not get into the trap that many people telling you right now, and I repeat this twice because it's really important, that we're gonna get straight to $25,200, especially as we are above this $27,000 area. Look how many times we got back here on this $27,000 and we bounced to the upside. Lots of times. All this dip that was happening here was bought out. So be very careful, guys, with your trade positions, with your short positions, with everything. Be very careful. Go with the confirmations. Right now, the confirmation is not to get at $25,200. As I told you, there is huge probability inside of the week to see pump to the upside and close the daily candle above this blue line. Okay, and guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. I won't focus into indicators today because I would like to spread a message about be very careful with your short positions. Okay, not financial advisor, but many people right now talking about that we're gonna see massive collapse straight to $20,000, $16,000. I find it really hard, but I'm waiting to see and what is going to happen. And that's the video. Let me know if you have any question, guys. Drop it down below in the comment section. Don't forget to check the Patreon. You're gonna miss crazy gains. I promise you that when we're gonna see some slightly pump to $40,000-$50,000 of Bitcoin, you're gonna tell me that you're gonna regret that you didn't join earlier. Trust me, guys, on that. I'm not playing around with this group. See you all in my next video, guys. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.